Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Trust Wallet to Cash App. First, open your Cash App and navigate to the Bitcoin section. You'll need to find your unique Bitcoin deposit address there. This address is crucial for receiving funds. Remember, Cash App mainly handles Bitcoin, so any other cryptocurrencies will need conversion. Also, confirm that Bitcoin deposits and withdrawals are fully enabled in your Cash App settings before proceeding. Now, let's prepare your Trust Wallet. If you hold cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, you must convert them first. Use Trust Wallet's built-in swap feature to exchange your current crypto for Bitcoin. Simply select the coin you wish to convert, choose Bitcoin as the target, and enter the amount. Always double-check the transaction details and any network fees before you confirm the swap. With your Bitcoin ready in Trust Wallet, it's time to send. Open Trust Wallet, select your Bitcoin, and tap Send. Paste the Bitcoin deposit address you copied from Cash App into the recipient field. It's vital to ensure this address is correct. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Take a moment to review all the transaction details one last time before confirming. After confirming the transaction in Trust Wallet, the Bitcoin network will begin processing your transfer. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on network activity. Keep an eye on your Cash App balance for the incoming funds. Remember, Cash App has a deposit limit of $10,000 for Bitcoin over any 7-day period. Always verify all details to ensure a smooth transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.